Tired of manually creating and sharing Stripe payment links for every transaction? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to unlock the power of Stripe and Zapier to automate your payment link workflow first. Make sure you have both a Stripe and Zapier account now. Log into your Zapier dashboard and click on Create Zap. Choose the app that will trigger your Zap. This could be a CRM, a lead generation tool, or even a simple Google Sheet, for example. Let's say a new row is added to a Google Sheet. Search for Google Sheets and select it as the trigger app. Choose New Spreadsheet Row as the trigger event. Then connect your Google Sheets account and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet. Now, it's time to connect to Stripe. Click on the plus button to add a new action step. Search for Stripe and select it. Choose Create Payment Link as the action event. Click Connect and then connect your Stripe account by logging in and granting Zapier access. Now for the fun part, map the data from your trigger app to the Stripe payment link fields. For example, map the product name from your Google Sheet to the product name field in Stripe. Add a price, the quantity and any additional details you want to include in your payment link. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, click Continue and then Test Action to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, you'll see a new payment link created in your Stripe account. Now, turn on your Zap, and you're all set. From now on, every time a new row is added to your Google Sheet, a new Stripe payment link will be automatically generated.